Islander here. We are back in my home province of Saskatchewan for a little hunting trip this year. We're hunting for some black bears, some moose, and some grouse. And yeah, a little spot, a little heavier on the wind side. But at the end of the day, there's nothing like hunting in Saskatchewan in the fall. Thanks for taking along. Chicken up on the road. Two of them. Three of them. Calling out to her. Calling out to the other one that's there. Just talking to each other. There, so he's flying further. She's gonna get going too. Pretty cool. Got him. Window. And we're back on the road. Got that one. There you go. Another nice roughie. Beautiful little breast. Nice. Pretty reasonable. Alright, so we just got a couple chickens there. Now we're gonna cool them off, rinse them off in the river here. Couple of... Oh yeah, that's cold. That's pretty clean now. There we go. Shot, cleaned, and cooled in the Torch River 20 minutes after being harvested. That is not bad. Well, that was the most refreshing cool down that I've had. When you haven't showered for a few days and you've been hunting, you get a little greased up, and there's nothing better than rinsing off, cleaning off in the river. And it just so happens that the river also is perfect for Mother Nature's refrigerator. Chicken on cooling. I don't think that chicken's all that smart. I think I'm sneaking over here. And there's a bag of his brother's just cooling the river right here. Not the smartest animal in